What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Drive Talk Cars. In today's episode, we're going to be continuing on with testing out the Turtle Wax new line of products. And in today's video, we're going to be reviewing the Mist Glass Cleaner. Now, a lot of times glass cleaners go unrecognized, but I think they're a vital part to the overall cleaning of the vehicle and the overall look of the vehicle. If you got dirty windows, it looks like a dirty car. So we're going to give this a try and we're going to see how it works. So let's jump into the video. So the glass cleaner in and out is part of the other mist collection, which is the leather mist and the interior detailer mist. So if you want to get other products that are like this, then look out for those. I have the link in the description down below if you're interested in those products. So as I mentioned, the glass cleaner is usually overlooked and something that we don't pay too much attention to, but Turtle Wax has developed a mist version of the glass cleaner. So it can be used inside and out as the name suggests. Let's read a few things on the back here. So with this type of sprayer, it's going to allow it to be a non-aerosol, which is more helpful to the environment. And it's not a spray, so you can get a more even distribution of product across your window and you don't have to use that much product. Directions to apply is shake it well, and then just like the leather mist or the interior detailer, which has the mist sprayer, pump up the trigger and it provides a continuous ongoing spray. So using your microfiber cloth, which I recommend you have one dedicated to glass cleaning, that way you don't have any oils or any type of wax or anything like that that you may get on there. Even after washing, it could stay on there. But anyway, I will have a dedicated glass cleaner for that. Use your product and then we're just going to apply it. So as you see, I'm pumping because I haven't used it, but so pump and it gives a nice coat. So one suggestion is to open up the door and you clean the top part first because typically this is your dirtiest area. So I'm just pinching and squeezing across the top here to get that dirty part first. All right, after that you can go ahead and close it up and then let's apply it to the window. All right, as we can see, it's a nice even mist across the surface of the window. All right, so we're gonna go on the outsides first. And then you can go on the insides. So it looks like I have some wax on here that I never got off. So this is a good test to see if it's able to clean that wax off. All right, so as you can see there, it is streak free. So if you haven't done so already, check out DriveTalkCars.com. That way you can get your own merch just like this. Have hoodies, t-shirts, jet tags, and stickers. So check it out. Back to the video. So as you can see, it is really easy to apply. It goes on evenly, nice coat, and then it gives you a nice streak-free finish. Really like this product as well. But there's also a bonus. If you have tinted windows, which I do, you can use it on that as well. Sometimes you can't use the cleaning products because of what it consists of on tinted windows. But in this particular situation, you can. So let's clean the inside and see how that comes out. So same deal. Go ahead with the outside. Around there. And then you can clean the inside. I'm flipping my microfiber cloth every so often just to make sure that I have a clean surface. All right, so once again, a streak-free window. All right, so once again, Turtle Wax has come through with another awesome product. If you like this video and you find it valuable, please give me that thumbs up. I have a link to this product in the description down below so you can pick up one for your arsenal of car care products. I will continue to review the products that I got from Turtle Wax. And if you haven't seen that other video, check out this over here. And remember, do it until you can't. Until next time, I'm out.